Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog is I will make this unboxing. So I bought this on a Facebook marketplace, and this is portable gamepad, which is also, it has a Joycon on it. So I'm gonna try it out. Okay, so here it is. Here is the this is the Joycon, and this is the this is the gamepad. So let's gonna start it up, guys. And then I also bought an extra finger sleeve. So I'm gonna try it out. Okay, so okay, so here it goes. Put I'm gonna put it first my phone, just like that. So we're gonna put it first, and then I'm gonna put this uh, I'm gonna put this on. Okay, so there are two. Okay, and also there's also an extender of it. So this is the as you can see, this is the extender, which you can put it in, which you can put it right there. So you just have to make sure that you can just make sure. Okay, and then you're gonna snap it like that, is because, but I think it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna use the extender. Okay, i'm gonna use this I'm gonna use this extender. Okay, to and then here it goes. So like that one. So like that one. So you have to, and then just gonna make some games on it. So I'm gonna try some arcade games. Okay, I'm gonna try some arcade games. Okay, and there you have it. So as you can see, the what is the Joy-Con is not like that in the center of the virtual Joy-Con on it. So in the screen Joy-Con, so it's not gonna work. So it's because I need some more. It's because I need some, what is this called? So if I'm gonna put this on, right, if I'm gonna put this, it's still not gonna work. Yes, because you can see it's not gonna work. It's because it's not being centered on it. So I don't know how to what is this called? So it's not also is not also being centered. Okay, so it is a good Joy-Con, but unfortunately there is something wrong with this one. So I guess like this one. So like this one. So there's something wrong with this one. So So this one is right here is I'm gonna, there's something wrong with this with so I guess I need to adjust, okay, something from it. So that's it for today's vlog also. And I forgot, and I forgot there's also a stand on this one. So there's also a stand, so you can just simply put a stand on. This is a good gamepad also that you can use. The problem is the Joycon is not being centered on the Joycon on the screen. So I think that is the only that's the only problem of the gamepad. So I think you almost like it, and also I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay.